John Gowan again with 1 Minute How-To series. This particular segment will be on putting a PDF into your Google site. Okay, this does require quite a few steps, so please pause the video where needed. Take your time and make sure you don't miss anything in order for it to work properly. Okay, so step one is going to be to get that PDF file that you have into your artifact folder in Google Drive, because this way I'll have the correct permissions. I'm not going to show you that here, that was shown in another video. Step two, you are going to have to get the URL, the correct URL for this particular resource stored in your Google Drive. Remember, any PDF file on the internet will be able to be viewed in its own web page, so that's how this works. It grabs the website URL where the PDF is displayed, and that's how it gets the URL. So that's number one. Excuse me, that's number two. Number three is to take that URL and put it into the appropriate gadget, which will be an iframe on in your Google Sites. So let's get started. Step one, like I said, is to upload and put it in this folder. Step two is to get the URL. So there's two things you need to do here. First of all, is hit download. I know it seems a little weird, but when it downloads, it actually goes into its own web page first. There's an extra word at the end of this called download. I'll show you how to deal with that in a second, but you're going to copy this entire URL here. So I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to copy. Now that's my URL, and I'm going to have to massage that in a few seconds. The next step is to come over to your ePortfolio page, and you are going to insert an iframe gadget. And that is done by tapping where you want to go, hitting the return key. Now, up here in Insert, you go to the center column and you say More Gadgets. Right? Under Public, if you click on Public, there you might be able to see iframe gadget right from there. If not, you tap in the search and you search under iframe and do the search. iframe, the insert gadget, should be one of the first ones listed. There it is, include iframe gadget. It's items onto a web page, so grab that and then go ahead and select it. So that's your gadget that you need to put a PDF into the website. The next part of this is to put that URL that you copied a few seconds ago. So I'm going to tap in here and I'm going to paste. Now you're not done. You do need to massage this a little bit. You see how you have the ampersand at the end, E equals download. You need to get rid of download equals E ampersand. Don't delete any of the numbers that are there. That will not make your link work. You should need to change the height here, just like we talked about before. And then go ahead and hit OK. That gadget goes into the page. You'll see it when you hit Save. This does take a few more seconds to load than the typical gadget, but there is the PDF file. Notice that if you do click on it, it only shows part of it. There are no scroll bars here. If we edit the page and edit the properties on the gadget again, we can tell it to include scroll bars. So this way we can scroll through the PDF, and it's not going to be limited to what will only display in the first 300 characters. Hit save, you'll see it again. This time you'll see the scroll bars. Give it a few seconds to load. I must have accidentally hit the size change, but that will give you the PDF file that you need. If you have any good luck with this, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and enjoy the rest of the videos.